Now you've placed a fulfillment order through FBDSdirect.com. Once the fulfillment order is shipped, you'll get an email notification from FBDS, and the tracking code will automatically import into the FBDS Chrome extension. Keep in mind that you'll need to mark an order as shipped within 3 business days on Facebook, otherwise the order will be canceled by Facebook. Now let's see how we can use the FBDS Chrome extension to complete this process. First, open up the extension and go to the Orders page. Use the drop-down filter to show orders that are fulfilled and fulfillment order shipped. Click into Order Details. Here you can open the Facebook order detail page. Note that the USPS tracking code is already here. Copy it and enter it on Facebook by clicking Mark it as shipped. Once it's done, you can either manually mark it as shipped in the extension or go back to Order List and re-import order data from Facebook. The ship status will be captured automatically. Here you can see there's no more orders waiting to be marked as shipped anymore.